Number 10.
To selection move to next child born, press square bracket close key. For selection move to the next parent born, press square bracket open key.
Number 9.
However, to extend selection to child born, shift key, square bracket close key. But just press square bracket open key to do selection minds. But if you want to extend to selection to parent born, shift square bracket open key. To make selection less in this situation, just square bracket close press.
Number 8.
Another important thing to do is invert section born. Select what doesn't have to be selection and press Ctrl+I. Press Ctrl+I.
Number 7.
Select child born, and press Alt-P to clear parent bones.
Number 6.
To make parent, first select the born you want to make as child, and next, shift press, select the second born for parent. Then press Ctrl+P select, connected.
Number 5.
To subdivide born, select the born, right-click, select subdivide.
Number 4.
To rename born, select the born, and press F2. Now, let's change the name.
Number 3.
I'm now extrude this born by E-press. To repeat this, just press Shift-R, then, it will be the action repeat last did.
Number 2.
To select all the bones link with a bone, Ctrl-L.
Number 1.
To select child born everything, select Shift-G, then, select Children.